Hi everyone, here you've got DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open your browser, in my case it will be Google Chrome, and choose the three dots icon right here. Click on the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of visited websites. If you want to delete only one of it, simply click on this X button. And as you can see, it simply disappears. If you want to clear all browsing data, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got it will clear browsing history, cookies, media, licenses, and site data, and also cached images and files. Let's get into the advanced, and here we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. What's more, you can of course change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. And if you're ready, let's click Clear Data and click on Clear. And as you can see here, we've got no history here, so it means that browsing data has been cleared. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your DOOGEE X100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.